तो Shabalkan Namaskar Adab Salam and welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Dr. Matt. And from now on onwards, 70% of my videos are going to be in English because I only play Minecraft and my Bangla videos are not going well at all. But anyways, thank you everyone for 25 subscribers. And it's like now 32 subscribers, but yeah, the video is a lot delayed. I'm sorry. But thanks for 25 subscribers. It is obviously silver jubilee. And for that, I'm going to make a small little silver play button that will maybe go to my wall or my desk, depending on its size. Because I haven't marked anything at all. So this is going to be a DIY build fully from myself. I haven't seen any tutorial, and originally I had the idea of making it in my Minecraft world, but the video got corrupted. It's in my Minecraft world and you will see it in my next Minecraft video. So without any further ado, let's start the video and let's make silver play button. Okay, I'm just cutting cardboard, and obviously the cardboard is the foundation of this silver play button. Not really silver yet. And I'm marking and just assuming the size of this silver play button and marking with the marker, playing around. After cutting it, I'm still cutting it though, but after cutting it, I found out the width of this cardboard piece or my play button is width is 15 centimeter and the height is 19.5 centimeter, as I will demonstrate right now. And then I've done some Pythagorean mathematics and found out that all of the three arms of the inner triangle will be 5 centimeters. right at this point, one of my clips got corrupted, and you can see it like right now. Now is good. Yes, here it is. So yeah, that clip got corrupted, and yeah, I'm sorry, I guess I don't have anything to do about it. Right here I'm applying white paste, which is a combination of white glue and water. I'm applying it to my cardboard piece, and I'm applying tissue paper above that, and then applying the white paste again. So this technique is called paper molding. Yes, this is called paper molding, and I eventually wanted to use this technique to make my play button stronger, but unfortunately I used the weakest paper I had laying around, which is toilet tissue paper. And right around here my sister came and helped me, my elder sister. By the way, she also has a channel, but you won't understand anything about it because that is all in Bangla. Obviously, if you're from Bangladesh and you know Bangla, then check her out. Links in the description, link in my channel. Still applying the tissue paper, and I'm applying it to the inner triangle. The inner triangle was a little bit tougher to do, but yeah, I eventually did it. And over here I'm applying the last bit of tissue paper. Now this is a napkin tissue paper, not a tissue paper roll, toilet tissue paper. So yeah, I use this one because this is bigger and a little bit tougher. So I used it at the top for a clean finish. And here I'm just planing it out for a smooth finish. And as you can see from the top angle view, the play button is looking really good. And I was trying to dry this thing with a hair dryer, which is not conventional at all. It did not work at all. This is nowhere finished at all. I still have to do a paint job. Where is it? Here it is. So I still have to do a paint job or aluminum foil job, whatever you say. Now the aluminum foil does look really good in it, but I don't believe myself that I can do it perfectly. So I don't want to risk it. I want to just paint it, but I don't have the paint right now, so it's a mess. And the aluminum foil we have is also kind of corroded. It has corrosion in it or whatever, so it is not looking good for me. That's why I'm going to make it a 2-part series, you can say. The next part will come maybe next week or so, because yeah, I don't know, but it's up to you guys. Comment down below colorful if you guys want me to color it, hashtag colorful or hashtag silver if you guys want me to use the aluminum foil. And if you comment hashtag colorful, then you should also comment what color, and maybe I'll choose one of them or all of them. I'll just do what I want. Yeah, I'll just do what I want. You guys don't matter. Thanks for subscribing. So yeah, but before we finish, I would like to thank our sponsor, the subscribe button. So guys, if you guys have loved this video and want more videos like this, then check out our sponsor, the subscribe button, who lives right under my video. So just scroll down and then click that subscribe button, and also click those relatives of the subscribe button, like the like button and the share button. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Maybe the next video would be a Minecraft video, and then I'll do the part 2 of this play button. Yeah, so I guess thanks for watching, and subscribe, like, share, comment, everything. It's been raining, like it's been raining cats and dogs here. So yeah, I'm chill. Literally chill. So yeah, comment down below hashtag colorful if you want me to color this